Okay, let's we are going to discuss on some topics like that in corruption in India. As you know, the whole system, government system, is involved in corruption because of without a high authority, corruption will never happen. uh, when you are working in a government departments you have a authority, you have a power to pass the file. In a government sectors, you when you need to pass your files, come to office without giving the money, the government officer not passed your file because of they think the money is because of they want money from you. I think the whole system from upper level to zero level to upper level is involved in corruption. That's why our India is developing, is still developing. Got India got independence 1947, and the the many countries also got independence at that times, and they are growing so fast, like China and like many countries you can see. But in China, the economy of China is as I know, $19 trillion, and the Indian economy is only 5 trillion. Not five, but we are trying to become a 5 trillion economy. You can say five, four plus we are economy, but we have a potential. We are no, and we are dependents of other countries for our resources, like our tech sectors, like Google, YouTube, our digital platforms like Instagrams. Our we all are depends on Chinese imports, like phones, electronics devices, and rare metals, and we also depend on other countries like Russia for defense equipments, and or Russian oils. We are second largest import of Russian oil. I think that's why we are behind still developing country. And we must take we are the Indian average, Indian population average age is 27 years, and the China is old, becomes old, and the average of age of China is, I think, 36 plus, and the same with the USA and other countries. And now we have a chance to become largest economy of the world, not only because of powers, respect power. I can the this is I quoted this because this said by this statement said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the great scientist of India. That's why he that's why that's why he built he manufacturing and some missiles like Agni Prithvi, and more missiles, and also involved in Parmanu test. uh, so I think strength, respect strength. Without strength and power, no country in the world respects you. So that's why we all Indians, we have a population of now 1.4 billion million, sorry. And uh, I think 70 crore of our population is young. So our government should take action to employments, and to making to giving the more employment of the youth, because of use of the youth is so important. As you can say, we have tools and defense equipment in my home, but you cannot use in the field of battle. So what's use of this thing? You can see in the recent happens war India and Pakistan's only the local equipment, defense equipment like Akash and many more defense machinery help Indian Army to attack in Pakistan and help in doing successful Operation Sindoor. So we have to become self-reliant in every sector. I think in every sector we have potential, and I think now we have to think about it. Why we are using Americans, Googles, Americans, YouTubes, all digital platforms is Americans. Why we are not Indian built his own platforms? And we all Indians are much supported to our creators and our government and government should also take steps to punish the person who doing the corruption. He is from government sector, private sector, or MPs, MLA, anybody, all of them, all of punished by Indian courts. I think in India there is a lot of rules and regulation, but the implementation of rules and regulation is necessary. Without implementation of rules and regulation, this is like a piece of a paper, and this is not working in a but when our MLA MP become the prime chief minister or get the any ministry, they think we are the king and we can do anything. So we have to question our leaders, our relevant questions, not irrelevant questions, and we want a visionary leader, and now we are in 2025, so we have such kind of potentials, and in 2035 I think we have to become, we will have to become the economy of I think $15 trillion, at least $15 trillion, because of at that time China growing so fast, having a GDP growth 4.8 something around 5%. You can say at the $19 trillion economy China have, and 5% yearly growth. So you look, and now India have only 4+ trillion economy, and we have the growth only 6% or 6% plus. So we can never compare with China and America. So America already in a good economy. America has $30 trillion economy. America is $30 trillion economy. So you can compare with our country with like America, China, and other countries. So I know, there is some regions in our countries we are now till we are struggling to become a good economy and developed country. but now we have to take action. We have to take action, and now we have to focus on manufacturing sectors, and in every sectors, like not only manufacturing. Yeah, we are behind in manufacturing sectors, and we have to create build many companies, trillion million of dollars new companies we have to create. So that's all I want to share with my thoughts with you. So please give you a review on my videos, and my thought process, and uh, my vision, not my vision, but my thought process, what I think. I am really enthusiastic person to see our country in the end of my life. Uh, the top one country is not on come in top three, in top one country in the end of my life. That's just my goal, and that's all.